Today I am going to do butter, buttermilk and ghee. I use yogurt, cool water to make butter. Take a jar and pour yogurt into the jar and grind well. Take cool water and pour it into the jar and grind well. Add some more water. Grind well. Grind well 5 minutes. Move from it and put it in the cold water. In the jug we have buttermilk. Let's pour buttermilk into the small pot. Buttermilk. Now take the butter into the other water and remove it from the cold water. The butter is ready. When we keep this butter in freezer, it will come hard, pure butter. Using this butter, I am going to make a ghee. Keep it on the stove. We can see the ghee is separated from the butter. When the golden color found, you have to off the stove. Into a jar. We get fresh homemade ghee. This is homemade ghee. Now I make spicy buttermilk recipe. I use curry leaf, salt, onion, ginger and chilli. Buttermilk is ready. I give it to my brother. So much.